Have you ever been developing a new product and realized after completing a feature you had interpreted the directions completely wrong? You were sure you were headed in the right direction, but it turned out that you didn't have a good grasp on what the feature was actually being used for within the product. After you presented your work, you were informed that you would have to start over. You got really frustrated because your feature fulfilled all the requirements for what it was supposed to do. It just didn't achieve what the user would need it to achieve. Sitting down at your desk to start from scratch, do you think that there has to be a better way for the customer and your manager to communicate with the team about the product requirements? Right now, the features in the product are delivered as a list of what the feature needs to do in a purely technical sense. Your team receives the information for each piece individually and often doesn't have an idea of how the pieces are going to fit together or how the user is actually going to use them. The lack of context and understanding that your team has about the user and their needs have led to a lot of misunderstandings, which led to wasted time and work. Your team will get more frustrated with the inefficient communication, and you won't be able to progress in your understanding of the product if something isn't done. You'll waste more time and money developing features that the user will have trouble using or that don't work out how the user needs them to. The focus of your team's development is currently on what the feature needs to do. What have you considered what the user needs to accomplish? This is a subtle shift, but thinking about how the user is going to interact with the product and what they need to get out of it will connect your team with the bigger picture and allow them to build their features more mindfully.